Hello everyone. In this session we're going to see demo on how to create VPC in AWS. Before going on to that, we should know what is VPC and subnet, route table and the internet gateway. Let me see what is VPC. VPC is nothing but virtual private cloud, which will provide advanced security features that allows you to perform inbound and outbound filtering at the instances and subnet level. Additionally, you can store the data in Amazon S3 and restrict access so that it only accessible from instance inside your PC. So we have an AWS. Inside that we have created our VPC. So inside our VPC we can create our own subnets. So our VPC is created in any of the AWS region. It will cover all the availability zones. You can create your subnet in any one of the availability zones. Inside the subnet you can create your EC2 instance. Now the question is why we need internet gateway. Internet gateway which will allow the instances inside your VPC to connect to the internet, and route table is the set of rules for allowing the traffics. So this is the demo we're going to create. First we are going to create a VPC. Inside our VPC we're going to create two subnets, public subnet and a private subnet, and we're going to create the internet gateway, and we have connected our internet gateway into the VPC we have created. Let me see a demo on AWS. Okay, let me see a demo on AWS. Search for VPC or go with VPC. So you can choose your VPC to create a new VPC. So this is a default VPC which is provided by the AWS. I'm going to create a new VPC. So I'm choosing create VPC. So I need to give a name. So I'm giving so we need to give a CIDR block. I'm giving 10.0.0.0/16, leaving the CIDR block and other tenancy as default. Just create VPC. Now I have created the VPC successfully. Let me create the internet gateway so that our instance would be able to connect it to the internet. So I'm creating an internet gateway. So click on create internet gateway, giving the name. I'm giving the name. Just create internet gateway. Now I have successfully created the internet gateway, but the status of the internet gateway is detached. We need to attach our internet gateway to the VPC we have created. So click on action, attach to VPC, select the VPC, my VPC demo, which is the VPC I have created, and attach internet gateway. Now our internet gateway is successfully attached to the VPC we have created. Now we need to create a subnet inside our VPC. So go to subnets. These are the subnet which is available default, and I'm going to create a new subnet. So click on create subnet. Select the VPC, my VPC demo. So we need to give a name to the subnet. I'm giving that public subnet. Availability zone has no preference, hence AWS will assign it. So I'm giving a CIDR block IP 10.0.1.0/24 and create subnet. Our subnet, that is our private public subnet, is created successfully. I'm going to create a one more subnet which is a private subnet. So I'm going to create subnet which is under the VPC my VPC demo. I'm giving the name as private subnet, giving the availability zone as no preference and CIDR block IP is 10.0.2.0/24 and create subnet. Now we have created our subnets. We need to create a route table for that. So go to route table. When we have created a subnet, the route table is defaultly created. I am just going to edit the subnet route table, giving the name as public and click yes. And I'm going to create a private route table using create route table. I'm giving a name tag and choosing a VPC my VPC and just click on create. Our route table is being created. Now we have two route table, public for one for private and another for public. Now we need to create a security group. For that, go to security group. There's a default security group which is available. You can choose any one of them or you can create a new security group. I'm just choosing a create security group. I'm giving a description as all traffic. So VPC as my VPC. Inbound traffic. So we need to check inbound traffic as all traffic. So the source will be my IP. And then create a security group. Just click on create security group. Now we have successfully created the security group. Now we are going to create a network ACL. The security group will provide the security at instance level and the network ACL will provide security in network level. So let me create a network ACL. So go to network ACL. You can choose a default one or you can create a new thing. In this I'm going to create a go with the existing one. So I'm just editing the name as ACL and change. I'm going to change the inbound rules. So go to edit inbound rules and there you can change the source into your IP. Now we have edited our network ACL. We have seen that inbound rules are being changed. Now we need to create a EC2 instance inside the subnet we have created, that is a public and private subnet we have created. So I'm going to create a two EC2 instance for my both public and private subnet. So for that, go to services, choose EC2, click on launch instance. Go with the free tier eligibility. I have chosen Amazon Linux 2. Just go with the free tier. Here we need to select the network, that is a VPC under we going to choose our EC2 instance. I'm selecting my new VPC we have created as my VPC demo, and the subnet is I'm going to put this EC2 instance in the public subnet I have created, so it is a public subnet, and public IP, which is make them enable, and just go to next, go to the next, go to the next. So configure security group. I'm going with the existing security group, which is my security group we have created. Choose them and then review and launch. Okay, then click on launch. Oh, I'm going with the existing key pair, which is I'm choosing them as VPC demo. Launch the instance. Our instance is being launched. I'm going to create a new instance for my private subnet. So click on launch instance. Go to the free tier as previous one. Just here I'm going to choose the network as my VPC demo and choosing the subnet as private subnet and enable, and then go to next. Go next. And I'm choosing an existing security group. Go to my security group and review and launch. Just clicking and Here our instances are being running. Let me check whether this is working with command prompt. So I'm choosing command prompt. So I'll check it for private. Let me check for private. Copy the public IP. Just ping space. As being a private, it is not accessed from any other thing. This is it. Thank you.